Roaring Kitty goes live on YouTube for the first time in nearly 4 years, and it was a disaster.
Help! Send help! Send help!
And really, I mean a disaster for GameStop.
We're monitoring this, as you can see, kind of on the live stream right now. We're also keeping a close eye on the market action. We are in the middle of what appears to be the 13th, maybe, trading halt of the session so far. It looks like we just resumed trading again. So again, I think this is, by my count, I'm going to go back and check. It's a lot. It's 13 trading halts right now.
The stock price crashed. It kept being halted.
The volume stands currently at just around, by my check, and I might be in a little lag because things are going so quickly, about 197 million shares have traded so far right now. And again, for context, over the course of the last 30 days, the average trading volume, even with the latest meme stock craze, has been roughly 61 million shares on a full day basis.
So GameStop tumbled over 40% upon Roaring Kitty's return. Also, Bitcoin is crashing. What's the real reason the crypto market is crashing? Well, in a recap, Roaring Kitty, aka Keith Gill, comes back 25 minutes late to his live stream, by the way. He dressed up in bandages and rambled on and on for 50-ish minutes, drinking beer, admitting he has no game plan.
To your point, Scott, we have heard a lot of commentary. He did talk a little bit about the beer he's drinking and what's going to happen with the NBA Finals early on in the session. But now, some of the maybe major, I guess, development, if you even want to call it that, he has not reiterated anything that he hasn't already said before, but he has expressed the overriding philosophy, I guess, if you will, that Ryan Cohen at the helm of GameStop is the person that can really turn this thing around. He's kind of reiterated some of those feelings about the potential to get things back on track.
Actually, he barely mentioned GameStop GME, other than how he thinks Ryan Cohen may know what he's doing, and the company looks like it has potential. He also threatened E-Trade.
But I seen those headlines. E-Trade, I see those headlines.
Basically, I believe he uses E-Trade, and E-Trade was threatening to kick him off.
I gotta check, I'm checking in every day. I'll log in, I'm like, are my positions still there? Are they still there? Let me check, they're still there. Wait, they're still there. Okay, they're still there. I wasn't even like paying attention to the details. They're still there.
Roaring Kitty mockingly threatening E-Trade by threatening to delete their logo was actually pretty funny.
But each morning I'm like, I don't know what's happening. So I go, all right, well, don't make me, but E-Trade, I'll do this with HTML. I'll do that. Don't make me remove it. I know how to do that. I'm just kidding. No, I'm going to put it back. We're good. Those positions are there. But I'll do it. I'll remove it. Don't make me. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. I'll delete that from the HTML. I will.
And many people were shocked just because this image, this rambling, is in such sharp contrast compared to the alpha he was putting out back in late 2020.
GameStop is one of the most compelling asymmetric opportunities in the market today. Really, I don't understand how you could disagree with that. That's why it's the top position in my portfolio and also Dr. Mike Berry's portfolio. But based on prevailing sentiment, the market, and popular culture, many think it's a foolish investment. But everyone's wrong. It's like the Big Short again. Or more like the Big Short squeeze this time, right? Anyway, let me show you what we're seeing.
I mean, this was such quality alpha at the time.
Still in 2020, GameStop maintains a healthy market share within the gaming industry. It's the only major brick-and-mortar retailer dedicated to gaming, and a recent survey indicated that over 25% of people buy their new games at GameStop, and 40% of people buy their used games there. Its reboot plan is well underway, and it's comprised of two main components. The first is optimizing the legacy business by right-sizing costs and improving the omnichannel experience. This will boost near-term free cash flow.
Now, we also did see his live trading open positions on his profile. Breaking, Roaring Kitty reveals his latest GameStop GME position on his live stream. He is currently down 235 million today. Of course, to be fair, this was a little bit of a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. GME is way up compared to where it was just a few months ago.
And I wonder if he's spoken to a lawyer before he is speaking to us, because, of course, as we know, the Securities and Exchange Commission is reportedly looking into...
Oh, and by the way, GameStop did, surprisingly, announce a loss in quarterly revenue this morning. so they probably would have dipped either way.
I'm the one active on my accounts, of course. What else to say here? I see a lot of the stuff out there. I'm just like, what the hell? What else? Oh, these are the accounts I'm showing, and my positions are mine. You know, it's like, those are my positions. I'm not working with anybody else. I'm not cool. I'm not working with hedge funds. Like, that's kind of, it's like the same stuff as last time. So it's kind of interesting to see that stuff. So I'm like, all right, I gotta hop on a stream and just remind people, you know. And then what else? Like, I'm not an institutional investor, you know. I'm not all this other stuff, and I am definitely not Paul Dano.
So with GME ending the day down 40%, around $28 per share, yet understanding if GME opens at or above $65 in the future, Roaring Kitty shares and options could be worth a combined over $1 billion. A billionaire. Was today's live stream an epic troll with more alpha to come, or just an epic troll to troll? Either way, Roaring Kitty crashed the crypto market as well, with Bitcoin dropping under $70,000 per coin again, and altcoins dropping harder. But zooming out and looking at the Bitcoin price big picture, this is hardly even a crash. Bitcoin has been in this range for 84 days now, and this is actually only the second longest period of consolidation since it bounced off the bear market lows at around 15.5 thousand. So again, an accumulation zone. Like here, like here, like here. Also, smart money is still accumulating. BlackRock now holds more than 300,000 Bitcoin worth over $20 billion in just under 5 months. And the spot Bitcoin ETFs in total have now had 18 consecutive days of inflows. Again, institutions are accumulating.
We're excited to announce that PayPal USD is now available on the Solana blockchain, making PayPal stablecoin faster and cheaper to use.
We also have Solana still building, reminding the people why PayPal chose them to put their stablecoin on.
Having PYUSD available on Solana furthers our mission of enabling a digital currency with a stable value designed for commerce and payments.
And for the over 220 million monthly active users using PayPal today, the stablecoin on Solana is now live.
So PayPal, for them, they wanted to prioritize a credibly decentralized blockchain, a blockchain that is performant in nature, and a blockchain that had a thriving community of developers.
We also have AI altcoin ChainGPT with a growth milestone. Our free NFT generator is on fire with over 22 million plus images generated, over 130,000 plus active users, and over 180,000 plus collections. So I am an ambassador to this project. Just as a reminder, they are ranked #1 for Web3 AI infrastructure. Basically, they offer a suite of tools for people looking to get involved in AI. And big news, they're expanding to the fastest layer 1, as C describes themselves. Big news, C Network is launching C version 2. So actually, I guess they were already integrated, but our integration with C Network will bring more power and efficiency to the AI NFT generator. Of course, this is an ongoing story. Click subscribe for 1 video per day, keeping you informed about crypto. And like all, we see you tomorrow.